Vicente, Catalina, this is Benjamin, Benji. Ang lolo Vicente mo. At ito naman si Catalina, ang kapatid ng papa mo.
Hindi mo kamukha si Gabriel. Sigurado ka na kanya?
Nagbibiro lang ang lolo mo. Kailangan masanay ka na sa kanya.
Sit down. Nabanggit sa akin ni Helen, arkitekto ka rin daw. Saan ka nag-graduate?
Manila Technological Institute po, sir.
Never heard of it.
Hindi porket anak ka ni Gabriel, nangangahulugan, tatanggapin kita. My company has very high standards. I only hire the best and the brightest from the top universities in the country.
I only have the highest standards for myself, sir. Simula po nung namatay yung tatay ko, yung nanay ko na po ang nagsumikap para makatapos ako sa kursong gusto ko. And kung ano man po ang meron ako ngayon, sir, I believe na dahil po yun sa pagsisikap ko. I may not come from a top university, but I'm top 10 of my class. And I'm willing to work my way up, improve myself, to be a valuable asset to your company, sir.
I must admit, you have balls, boy. But to be honest with you, I don't think you're fit for the company.
Vicente, give him a chance.
I am giving him a chance. You're hired.
What? Kulang ang credentials niya.
Kuminsan, Catalina, hindi lang credentials ang importante. As I said, you have balls, boy. Pero ngayon pa lang, sinasabi ko na sa'yo, hindi ka nababagay sa kumpanyang ito. But I want you to prove me wrong. Patunayan mo sa akin na hindi ako nagkamali sa pagtanggap sa'yo. And it seems to me, you're as stubborn as your father. Prove to me you're not as stupid.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your 2:30 is here.
Architect Benjamin Rosales.
Ito ang magiging cubicle mo, Benji. Dad told me to start you out as a junior architect.
Thank you, tita.
Don't you dare call me that. Nakakatanda.
Sorry. Thank you, ma'am.
Besides, hindi kasama sa trabaho ko bilang principal architect ang mag-tour ng mga baguhan kagaya mo. I'm just doing this for Dad. By the way, this is Elton. He is one of our senior architects. Sa kanya ka mag-report. Hindi porket apo ka ng may-ari, bibigyan ka ng special treatment. Ayusin mo trabaho mo, Benji. Or else ako mismo magsasabi na tanggalin ka kahit isa ka Rosales. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahirapan